In these vast rainforests, sources of food can be scattered far and wide. Sporadic fruiting lures insects, which in turn attract reptiles to certain branches. And not just the legged variety. Reaching over a meter in length, paradise tree snakes are also very much at ease in their treetop homes. Preferring the mid-canopy, they're usually found on the edge of the forest, where it's easier to soak up the energizing sun. Age and sex determines their pattern and coloration, varying from black to green. Incredibly strong muscles enable them to cling to branches. And the curved underside allows them to grip to tree protrusions as small as a millimeter high. In these rainforests, certain reptiles have discovered the ideal way to conserve energy, yet still reach their destination. And this snake is no exception. They're so strong, they can suspend their bodies out into the canopy below. Selecting their target, they maneuver into position. Before taking a leap of faith. Also known as paradise flying snakes. They're one of only 5 species on the planet capable of gliding. And in a fraction of a second, can double the width of their bodies. They achieve this flattened position by spreading their ribs before undulating gracefully for up to 25 meters.